Hello everyone and welcome to my videos about Open Roberta. In this video I'm going to explain you how we can set a user group and enroll students in that group. User groups are very useful for teachers to access and give feedback on the students who saved work without having to download programs or share screenshots and things like that. So, to create a user group, what do you have to do? First, you have to log in. So I'm already logged in and I see this option, Manage User Groups. This is the place where you can see your user groups. I have 3 user groups here and I want to create another one. So I hit the plus sign and I'm going to name the user group. It will be group number 2 and I can automatically generate members. So I have to say how many members do I need. I'm going to say 10 members and hit the button create a new user group. It's already here, it's created. It has 10 members, date of creation, and I can delete it. I'm going to delete group 1 and just click confirm and it's deleted. Here in the group I can see the users, their passwords, and I can edit the users. I'm going to click on the pencil and change the name of the user, confirm. As you can see, the username is already changed and the password also. Now the password is the user group column and the username, which is different. Also, if the user forgets his password, I can reset it here in this little arrow, round arrow, but this is not enabled because no one has changed this password. So here in a group that someone has changed his password, I cannot see it, but the arrow is enabled, and if I press it, the password will be reset to default, which is the default, the username and the user group. Now I'm going to go back and I'm going to choose here my programs. What can I see? I can see my programs and the programs my students did. There are a lot of them, and I press the I and I can see the instructions and the order of the instructions they used. If I have something to say about this, I can use the documentation view and write something here or add comments to the code. I cannot save it, but I can do a save as. I can choose a name. For instance, student 1, confirm. And now I'm going to see what happened. This is the program I just commented. It's only mine, so no one can see it, but I can share it. I can share it with the whole group. I can choose a group and all the users in that group will be able to see the program, or I can choose just a user and I have to write the username of that user. If I want the user to see or edit, I can tick these options. The pencil is for edit, and in the end I must confirm with OK. I'm not going to do that. So now let's see how we can log in a user group. I'm going to head to the login and choose the second option, login with user group. I have to indicate the name of the owner of the user group. In this case, that's it. Name of the user group, as you saw earlier. Now the name of the user and the password. This is the default password. This is the first login of the user. Confirm with OK. And now I have to change the password. So I must use a different password and confirm. So this is the student or the user which belongs to your user group. No programs yet, so have fun.